If you've already tried every cream, lotion, and ointment on your baby's eczema, this video is for you. Today I'm sharing 3 natural strategies that many parents have never heard of but may play an important role in supporting your baby's skin. These aren't miracle cures. Instead, they focus on helping restore the body's natural ability to protect and heal the skin. So let's dive in. One trigger that many parents overlook is dry indoor air. During the winter, the air conditioning and central heating and low humidity can pull moisture directly from your baby's skin. So even if you're applying moisturizer several times a day, extremely dry air can continue to dry out their skin barrier. So make sure you're using a cool mist humidifier in your baby's room, especially when they sleep, and this can help reduce any water loss from their skin. Aim for indoor humidity of about 40 to 50% because too much humidity can encourage mold growth, so balance is very important. Here's one that may surprise many parents. Iron. We usually think about iron for energy or preventing anemia, but iron also supports immune function and healthy skin repair. So babies who are beginning solids benefit from iron-rich foods like lentils, beans, grass-fed beef, turkey, chicken, iron-fortified infant cereals, and vitamin C alongside iron can improve the absorption rate. So while iron isn't an eczema treatment, making sure babies have the adequate nutrition that will help support skin from the inside out is very important. One thing parents don't realize is that the skin repairs itself most actively while we're asleep. Unfortunately, eczema often disrupts sleep because babies tend to itch more at night. So creating a calming bedtime routine may indirectly support healthier skin. This includes keeping bedrooms cool, limiting overheating, consistent bedtime routines, moisturizing before bed, using soft cotton pajamas, because better sleep doesn't cure eczema, but it can support the body's natural repair process. And I believe healthy sleep is one of the most overlooked pieces of healing. Remember, the goal isn't finding one magic remedy. It's stacking several habits that help strengthen the skin barrier over time. Think of eczema support like building a house. Every healthy habit is just another brick in the foundation. If your baby has eczema, please don't lose hope. Healing often happens gradually. Small changes like optimizing your home's humidity, supporting good nutrition, and protecting sleep may make more of a difference than parents realize. And if you'd like more holistic tips, download my free baby eczema starter guide using the link below. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment if you have any questions.